The law of sines. In this video, we shall state and prove the law of sines. We take a usual triangle ABC. Here, the angle formed at vertex A is alpha, the angle formed at vertex B is beta, the angle formed at vertex C is gamma. The side opposite to vertex A is small a. The side opposite to vertex B is denoted by the letter small b, and the side opposite to vertex C is denoted by the small letter c. So we can say that in any triangle ABC with usual notation, A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta is equal to C over sine gamma. Now we prove the law of sines. We take a triangle ABC with usual notation as shown in the figure. We draw a perpendicular BD from B on AC such that the length of perpendicular BD is equal to H. Now as we can see that this perpendicular has divided the triangle ABC into right triangles. The right triangles are ABD and BDC. Now we take the first right triangle ABD and find sine alpha. As we know that is equal to sine alpha is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Therefore, sine alpha will be H over C. From here we find the value of H, which is C sine alpha. We call this equation to be equation 1. Now we go to the second right triangle ABD and find sine gamma. Sine gamma will be equal to H over A, that is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So H will be equal to A sine gamma. We call this equation 2. Now we compare equations 1 and 2 and we get A sine gamma is equal to C sine alpha. Now from here we can write A over sine alpha is equal to C over sine gamma. Similarly, we can show that A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta. Let's label these expressions as A and B. Now we combine these two expressions and we get the law of sines.